Hey you guys! So as you can see, I made a super cute festive holiday set because y'all, the holidays are very fast approaching. So if you want to be festive and have some cute nails but you want to do them yourself, then go ahead and watch this video. So I'm taking my extra long coffin tips, well, coffin nails that I get off of AliExpress, y'all. All my nails come off of AliExpress because one, they cheap, and two, I like their shapes. But I'm gonna take this coffin shape and I'm gonna use this green color. Now, this polish came with my UV lamp, so it kind of came as a package. So that's why it's really small for one. But two, it's also very transparent. So I ended up doing 3 coats of polish on this set, and I'll show you after like the first coat that is very transparent. It of course does get a little bit darker, but even on the third coat, like you can still kind of see through the nail a bit. But it's a nice Christmas green nonetheless. So, and I have it, so I'm gonna use it. But if you happen to have a more opaque green, then you'll also get a much better color payoff. Or maybe you want some like jelly type Christmas nails, but that works too. So this is what they're looking like after 3 coats. You can still see it's not quite opaque, but it's still a really nice payoff. And then next I'm going to take my Macart transfer foil glue. So y'all gonna see the fail that happened. I don't know if it was because of the polish or what, but basically what I was trying to do was do like a striped effect on the nail with the transfer glue. So I put 3 stripes across the nail with like a space in between because I wanted to stripe the silver, but it didn't work out, and y'all will see. And I ended up just completely covering the 2 nails with transfer foil, but I'm gonna still show y'all my fail because it's trial and error. So it's a simple fix. All I did was put another layer of the transfer glue, cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then put on more transfer foil, and boom, it's like you never knew what happened except I told you. I didn't even have to tell you guys, but I told you because I'm honest. And we can learn from our mistakes and my mistakes. So I'm gonna learn how to do that stripe because I still want to do it, but it didn't work out this time. But I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna figure it out. And this is what we're looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply on top coat on all of the nails, but of course we need some bling up on this set, y'all. So I'm gonna be putting some bling on the middle finger and on the pinky finger, make them a little bedazzled. So I'm just taking this really fine nail brush and dipping it in my rhinestone glue and putting it around the border of the nail because I'm going to be putting crystals all around the border, and I'm just applying it directly on top of the layer of top coat that I have, and I have not cured it yet. So I know I've said in my previous videos that I don't like my rhinestone glue, but I'm trying to find different ways that it works better. So this time around I'm putting it directly on top of the top coat and then sticking my crystals right in there. And then I'm taking these green gemstones that I got off of AliExpress, using the second biggest size, and then I'm placing those all around the border of the nail. And then we end up with something like this once we're done. And of course you can completely leave it like that, but the middle is looking a little plain. So what I'm going to do is take one of these Christmas gems. I'm going to take this cute little Santa Claus hat and place it right in the middle of the nail. So just taking some of that rhinestone glue, I'm going to rub it onto the back of that Santa hat and then just place it directly on the middle of the nail. Because this crystal is heavy, well, not heavy, but like it's a bigger crystal, so it has a bit more weight to it. It kind of slides a bit, so you have to put it in the lamp once you have it positioned where you want it, because once I would kind of tilt the nail and then I could feel it slipping, and then my other gems are still wet, so I'm like, no, please don't slide off and knock off all my gems. So once you have it placed on, cure it because it will move. And whenever I work with crystals, I like to cure them for 2 minutes just so I can make sure that they stick on really, really well. And then I'm just taking the pinky nail and using that rhinestone glue and putting it all over the nail because I am going to bling out this pinky. So I'm just going to be using different sizes. I think I used the second biggest, the fourth biggest, and the smallest sizes of crystals and just completely put them all over. No pattern, just fill the nail with bling. And then once you're done blinging out this nail, go ahead and cure it in the lamp for 2 minutes, of course. And then once it comes out, y'all, this set is so cute. I'm so happy to rock this for the holidays. Deck the halls, bling your nails, whatever the hell they said in that song. But y'all, look at this set. I think it is so cute. Let me know if you guys like this set. Comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.